is kind of... Hey, it's Matt with House of Vacuums, and today we've got a Titan T3200 that I'm going to throw a new belt on. So, just gonna go ahead, and there's a screw here. There's 5 screws total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so those come off, and it just literally pulls up. Alright, so the belt just threads over right here. This unit's seen some moisture. There's some rust on the motor shaft. That's never good, but I don't see signs of moisture anywhere else. It's weird. Not enough brush or moisture that we'd have to clean it off, but so this just drops down and in. This is a slotted side, so you just turn this until it drops down into place. That is it for the new belt. So pretty easy. It's riding nice and centered, no problems there. So we're going to go ahead and drop this back on, and again, it just presses on. Okay, 5 screws. Now this guy feels pretty heavy, so, and as a general rule, these are not heavy machines. So I do want to check the bag, and that is pretty full. So we are going to go ahead and replace this for the customer. And it just pulls off of a post here in the back. Just lift that off. Good poly bag. So, if you ever need a bag for one of these and can't find them, a Riccar Type A bag will fit. It is the exact same dimensions. So that makes it easy. So, new bag in that guy. I feel good about that. I feel okay running this guy around my camera equipment because he's a bagged machine with a HEPA filter. So on these guys here, the on switch is actually the pedal over here. He's running great. Good agitation on these guys, really like them. Height adjustment, really like that. In any case, I appreciate you watching, and of course, I will see you in the next video. Bye.